Some seasoning blends just smell incredible the moment you open the jar, and this Peruvian seasoning is definitely one of them. It's bold and packed with layers of flavor that work with almost anything. The full recipe link can be found in the description below. Start with 2 tablespoons of paprika to build the base of the blend. Then add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of onion powder for that deep, savory flavor. Next, mix in 2 teaspoons of ground cumin and 2 teaspoons of oregano to bring in that earthy Peruvian-style character. Now add 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika for warmth and smokiness. Then go in with 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder to deepen the flavor profile. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger and 1/4 teaspoon of ground clove for subtle warmth and spice. And finally, finish with 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of dried lime zest to balance everything with a slight sweetness and citrusy lift. Now give everything a really good mix until all the spices are evenly combined and the seasoning looks uniform throughout. If you enjoy homemade seasoning blends like this, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who loves cooking, and subscribe to SpiceRally for more easy homemade recipes. And tap the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. And your Peruvian seasoning is ready. This makes about 3/4 cup of seasoning, perfect for chicken, fries, seafood, grilled vegetables, rice dishes, and so much more. Any leftover seasoning can be stored in a well-fitting airtight container. Keep it away from heat and sunlight, and it'll stay fresh and flavorful for months. So give this blend a try and let us know what you used it on in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with more recipes like this.